Alright guys, front end destruction time. Let's work on taking off the front stuff. Disconnecting wiring and crash bars and cutting stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and start sucking off bolts, see what I can take off with the bolts or what's not good to come off with bolts, and then start cutting the rest. Man, this thing got hammered. It got hit real hard to bend that up as much as it did. So we're gonna keep on taking this off, check the wiring, move some stuff, take out the condenser, hack out this kind of front piece, and see where we get on this. Alright, so I'm trying to take this electrical wire off. So I took off the lower mount covers down here and here, and disconnect those brackets, but it's so bent I can't get the bracket out, and I got the one off on the other side. So you can see the frame, that is the frame, doing almost a 90-degree up in the air, which is awesome. So I'm probably just going to try to cut it right here. See if we can make a little room. Pry off all the tabs here. And see what we can make of it. Alright, so I think all that red, the yellow stuff's the sensor for the airbags. But what gets me is the airbags didn't deploy, even with that much impact and sensor being inside of that. So that's not a good sign. So yeah, I don't know. So I'm working on cutting that, taking those wires off, and start hacking away that system down underneath all this on the fronts. Try cutting it all out so we can go from there. So now we're going to cut up the bottom cross piece and maybe try to take off that front piece of the frame there, chop it flat. The other side will have to be done, but I'll have to move the ABS and stuff around. So I don't know if we get to it tonight, but we'll work on chopping that sucker off too. And go from there. Chop her up. See if the saw blade will hold up for us. Well, there's the frame and how crazy it was bent and crushed. Awesome. this side was pushed in. There's the wrinkle. So we're kind of cutting it off, kind of close up there. And right here, cut that off. Alright guys, there's some audit-in stuff, AC lines, and different sensors, and cruise control, power steering stuff. I want to remove some of this, clean it up, make room for it, and see what we can do to get this to fit all in here. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so right back here, there's a plug that connects to this body harness, and I'm going to try to take it out and see where this other yellow wire, I think it's just like a power wire to something, maybe ECU, try to disconnect that. Okay, now with that side disconnected, I'm going to try to bring it all over and take it back to right here where it goes into this fender well. See if it's connected over there, see if I can disconnect the whole thing. Just get the wiring out of the way. Alright, so we got all this. Alright, so we got all this wiring jack here we gotta take out to get through. Disconnect stuff. Take out the little bracket. Take out the boxes. Even though they look broken from the impact. we go. Body harness. So it's getting much better. No better. So as you can see, it's getting much better. Getting everything out. I need to go on the inside, remove some of the stuff under the dash, the air box and the wiring and AC junk under there. And yeah, should be awesome. Pump, look at it. Drift kart underway. We will get there, guys. We will get there. Alright guys, there you have it. That's that episode of Wide Open Throttle. We got the front end cut, wires moved, things disassembled. Kind of the basic shape of the front we'll be working with. And to figure out how to fit a Chevy V8 in here. If you're liking the WRX Drift Kart, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow along with this build. There's definitely more to come. Now we got a lot of the cutting done. I'm trying to get metal here and a roll cage so we can work on getting kind of the EXO front end built for it, get the roll cage and rear EXO bumper structure done. So hopefully in the next week or so we'll have those components here. We can work on welding them in. I got more tidying up to do on some of the edges, around some edges, covering them up. Do some welding plates on them to keep them sealed. And then I'll have to go through the dash, some of the components under the dash, to be able to take care of that stuff, get it sorted, and pull out the old pieces, the airbag, AC, blower fan, stuff like that that we won't need, and continue working on the old WRX EXO Drift Kart. So again, thanks for following along. Make sure you like and subscribe. And more to come from Wide Open Throttle Garage. Till next time.